Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a simple VLOOKUP. In my first spreadsheet I have employee number, first name, surname and date of birth, but the date of birth column is blank. So I want to bring in the date of birth from my other spreadsheet which has the same information. So we need to look for something in common. So we have employee number in both of these spreadsheets, so we're going to use that to do the VLOOKUP. So click where you want the data to go. So we want it to go into this column. Start your VLOOKUP with an equals because it's a formula, and type in the word VLOOKUP. Open your first bracket and it asks us to put in the lookup value. So the lookup value is the information that's in common in both spreadsheets, which is the employee number. So we click on the employee number. Now we always put a comma after every piece of information like it asks us to here. So put in our comma. The table array is where we are going to look for the information. So in our example it's in the other spreadsheet. So go into our other spreadsheet and we want to highlight the information that we want to bring back, but we need to include the column that it has in common. So in our case it's the employee number. So start by highlighting all the way across to the date of birth because it's the date of birth that we want to bring back, and make sure you include all of your data. A comma again because we're on to our next part of information, which is asking for the column index number. So we want it to bring back here. So we need to count across 1, 2, 3, 4. We want it to bring back the data in the fourth column. So press your number 4, comma again. Now it's asking us true, which is an approximate match, and false, which is an exact match. We want it to bring back an exact match, so we can either type in 0 or false. So we'll type in false and end our VLOOKUP with the closed bracket and press enter. So as you can see, this brings back the date of birth. Just drag the formula down. Now sometimes it won't always go into a readable format, so it could just be numbers. If that does happen, just right click on your data, go down to format cells, click on your date and choose this top option here and OK. Now as you can see, if we click in one of these cells it still has the VLOOKUP in there, so we want to copy it and paste special. So highlight your data, Control and C to copy, Control Alt and V, go down to values and press enter. As you can see, you go in here now and the VLOOKUP is not there. So that concludes a VLOOKUP.